Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Hajime and today I've got a new wireless mic from ULANZI AM18 mic wireless. Alright, let's take a look at this wireless mic. It comes with 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. As soon as you open it, it's turning on automatically. It might take a few seconds to turn it on. And let's have a look at this quality. It's made in plastic, yeah. And this transmitter's also same material, lightweight. It's a little bit plastic, so like feels a cheap material, but looks overall nice. And let's have a look how it looks like when you install on the camera. I'm using Alpha 7 Mark IV, and when you install it, it's pretty simple, easy, just insert to the mic chute, and then it looks like this, and it looks steady, doesn't move. I don't need any like extra things between the space. Alright, finally, let's test it out, the audio quality. First of all, I will record with Sony Alpha 7's built-in mic, and after that I will record with onboard mic, which is this transmitter has onboarding recording function. And then finally, I will record it with the transmitters direct into my camera. So let's have a look.
Me right now, I'm trying to calculate the price of silver so I can figure out. I'm researching a company that does wax castings for jewelry. Like you make a wax casting of a design of something you want, and I'll probably do in silver because it's cheapest. I'm trying to research how to do silversmithing, or how to do like wax casting, which is when you get a wax piece and you craft it into the design of a ring and you send it off. How I can buy silver, because it looks like it's pretty cheap, so I don't know, it off and get it back. That is what I want.
Not gonna do it for sale.
And I could sell if I like the design enough.
Are you gonna open up your online?
And then you send it off and they make it in silver and they send it back to you to polish or do whatever you want with it. So it's just, I'm just looking at the price.
Alright, how was the sounds created? Was the good enough for you, or is if you want more like professional gears? In my opinion, the sounds like good enough for my purpose, and compared with the built-in mic with this Sony Alpha 7, it definitely the sound quality is improved, and yeah, I think I pretty like the sounds from this ULANZI's wireless mic. And one thing that I noticed about this, you know, I don't know what color is it, it's fluffy stuff, it's a plastic scissor in the middle, and then basically you chuck it in here and twist it and then install it, and that's it. But like, I find sometimes this one's so sleepy, and when you hold it, and then I tend to like drop like this. Yeah, it's something you really need to be careful when you put in this in outside, because this one's so fluffy materials and it easily caught some dust and dirt and many things outside if you drop it off. Yeah, that's my little bit of concern when I use it in outside. Yeah, and everything else, that sounds pretty nice. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any question or suggestion, drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep capturing those amazing moments. See you in the next video.